Looking for the best treadmill for home workouts and fitness but not sure which one is actually worth buying? In this video, I'm reviewing 5 of the best treadmills for home workouts and fitness available right now. I'll break down performance, features, comfort, and overall value so you can find the right treadmill to match your fitness goals and budget. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Sunny Health and Fitness Fully Assembled One-Click Fold 20-inch Smart Treadmill with Auto Incline and Sunny Fit app. If you're looking at the Sunny Health and Fitness One-Click Fold Smart Treadmill, you're considering a brand that's well known in the United States for producing reliable home fitness equipment at approachable price points. Sunny Health and Fitness has become a popular choice for people who want to stay active without investing in a commercial gym setup, and this treadmill follows that same philosophy. What this treadmill is best known for is combining convenience with practical features for everyday home workouts. Instead of targeting serious marathon runners or elite athletes, it's designed for people who want an easy way to walk, jog, or run without leaving the house. In real-world American homes, this treadmill works especially well for busy professionals, parents, retirees, apartment residents, and anyone trying to build a consistent fitness routine. Whether you're squeezing in a quick morning walk before work, getting extra steps while watching TV, or jogging after dinner, it fits naturally into everyday life. One of the biggest strengths is the one-click folding system. Space is a major concern in many U.S. homes and apartments, so being able to fold the treadmill quickly after a workout is a huge advantage. Instead of permanently taking over a room, it can be stored more conveniently when not in use. Number 2. Cursor Fitness 16% Incline Treadmills for Home Small with 3 LED displays, 3.0 HP Foldable Walking Pad Treadmill up to 400 pounds capacity, Portable Treadmill 0.6 to 7.0 miles per hour. If you're considering the Cursor Fitness 16% Incline Treadmill, you're looking at a machine that places a strong emphasis on incline training and compact design. In the US market, more people are creating home gyms in spare bedrooms, garages, apartments, and small living spaces, making space-saving treadmills increasingly popular. What this treadmill is best known for is offering a steeper incline than many entry-level models while maintaining a relatively compact footprint. That makes it appealing to buyers who want more challenging workouts without purchasing a full-size commercial treadmill. In everyday American use, this treadmill is ideal for walking, brisk walking, light jogging, weight loss programs, and general cardiovascular fitness. It fits well in apartments, condos, townhomes, and smaller houses where every square foot matters. One of its biggest strengths is the 16% incline capability. Incline walking has become one of the most popular low-impact fitness trends because it increases workout intensity while placing less stress on the joints than high-speed running. For users looking to improve endurance or burn more calories, this feature can make workouts significantly more effective. Another advantage is the 400-pound weight capacity. A higher weight limit generally reflects a sturdier frame, providing more stability and confidence during workouts for a wider range of users. Number 3. Urevo Stroll 2e Smart 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill, Compact Walking Pad with Safety Handle, Plug-and-Play, Standing Desk Treadmill with Dual LED Display, Smart App, Walking or running for home office. If you're considering the Urevo Stroll 2e Smart 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill, you're looking at one of the most practical options for people who want to stay active without dedicating an entire room to a home gym. Urevo has become increasingly popular in the US market by focusing on compact treadmills that fit modern lifestyles, especially for apartment dwellers and remote workers. What this treadmill is best known for is its dual-purpose design. It functions as both a walking pad for use under a standing desk and a traditional treadmill when the safety handle is raised. That flexibility makes it appealing to buyers who want to increase daily activity without scheduling separate workout sessions. In real-world American homes, this treadmill is perfect for remote workers, students, apartment residents, and professionals who spend long hours sitting. Walking while answering emails, attending virtual meetings, or watching training videos has become a common fitness strategy, and the Urevo fits that routine well. One of its biggest strengths is the compact folding design. When you're finished exercising, it stores easily under a bed, behind a couch, or against a wall. That's a huge advantage if you live in an apartment, condo, or home where floor space is limited. The plug-and-play setup is another feature buyers appreciate. You don't need to spend hours assembling complicated equipment before your first workout. Number 4. Xterra Fitness Sports Series Premium Folding Smart Treadmill, Handlebar Speed and Incline Controls, Large XTRA Soft Cushion Running Deck, built-in FTMS-enabled Bluetooth with XF Connect Fitness app. If you're looking at the Xterra Fitness Sports Series Premium Folding Smart Treadmill, you're stepping into a category aimed at users who want a more traditional treadmill experience. Xterra has built a solid reputation in the United States for producing dependable fitness equipment that bridges the gap between entry-level machines and premium commercial models. What this treadmill is best known for is providing a comfortable running experience while still folding for storage. It offers features that appeal to walkers, joggers, and regular runners who want a capable machine without converting an entire room into a gym. In real-world American households, this treadmill works well for family fitness rooms, finished basements, garages, spare bedrooms, and dedicated workout spaces. One of the biggest strengths is the XTRA Soft Cushion Running Deck. Cushioning helps reduce the impact placed on knees, hips, and ankles, making workouts more comfortable during longer sessions. That's especially important for adults who exercise several times each week. Another standout feature is the handlebar speed and incline controls. Being able to adjust workout intensity without reaching toward the console creates a safer and smoother running experience. Bluetooth connectivity and compatibility with the XF Connect Fitness app also help users monitor progress and stay motivated over time. Number 5. NordicTrack T-Series. If you're considering the NordicTrack T-Series, you're looking at one of the most recognized treadmill lines in the American fitness industry. NordicTrack has been a trusted brand for decades and is widely known for producing feature-rich treadmills that combine solid performance with modern training technology. What the T-Series is best known for is offering a complete home workout experience. Rather than simply providing a running surface, it's designed to support structured training for walkers, joggers, and runners who want to stay consistent over the long term. In everyday American homes, the NordicTrack T-Series is commonly found in dedicated home gyms, basements, garages, spare bedrooms, and family fitness spaces. One of its biggest strengths is overall build quality. NordicTrack treadmills are generally designed for frequent use, making them suitable for households where multiple people exercise regularly. Another major advantage is the cushioned running deck. Reducing impact on joints can make a significant difference during longer workouts and may help improve overall comfort over time. Those are my picks for the top 5 best treadmills for home workouts and fitness. Some are built for walking, while others are better for running, incline training, or advanced workout features. The best choice depends on your space, fitness routine, and budget. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.